I really needed proper lounge chair for sunbathing and just laying and relaxing by the water. I had one slightly crazy idea of using Ikea Rouloy bed base for building my own lounge chair. Other than that, I needed 2 boards of plywood that's gonna be used for main construction. To make it more stronger and thicker, I sandwiched 2 boards together. I printed an assembled template for 2 main beams, and with a pencil I outlined shape for cutting, which is done with jigsaw. From remaining plywood material, I cut out 2 connecting parts. The gaps between slats were too big, so I removed them from the strip. They have this slightly concave shape, which is great for ergonomy and comfort, and in total I used 26 of them. I pre-drilled holes and attached them with 1 screw on each end. This project turned out great. It was easy and fun to build, and the lounge chair is super comfortable.